Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall the new passwords app on your iPhone on iOS 18. If you accidentally deleted or removed it, you want to follow these steps. So let's get started. The very first thing to check is that the app might actually be on your iPhone. In that case, you're going to want to go ahead, scroll to the very last page on your home screen where you see app library, and then you're going to go ahead and search for it. So you can search for passwords. It's going to be in English. You're going to want to press and hold and then add it to your screen, and then you can go ahead and once you add it, hold it and then move it to a place you like, and you have the password app right there. Now in case you did that search and you didn't find it, let's go ahead and remove it where it is no longer there. You simply searched it here, or even go ahead and pull down the menu and try to search for password, and it's not showing up here. The next thing to do to install it is go to the app store itself. Once you go to the app store, simply click on search, and then you're going to want to search for passwords like that, app, passwords app, and it's going to be this app. So important thing to make sure that you don't download any other app is that you want to make sure the icon looks like this. It's from Apple here, and currently it has this much rating. So this is the official app made from Apple to allow you to manage your password natively on the app. So make sure it's the utilities app. You're going to click on that icon here. It will go ahead and install it, and you can click on open it. It should lock with your phone's passcode by default, so you can easily save and fill password, autofill, secure encryption, and seamless syncing between your devices like Mac, iPhone, iPad, Vision Pro, and even Windows PC. So that's how you reinstall the Passwords app on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.